welcome to Pay It Forward. Today, of course, is launch day for February Masterclass, and I have brought you something a little different this month. I personally have an absolute love for Russian nesting dolls, and I have created little Bearbushkas, so a family of dolls. So you've got 3 to make this month, and so many ways to make these guys. We've got Mama, Papa, and Baby Bear, and so many options for embellishing these guys, and they're quite simple and straightforward to make. We've still got all of the beautiful structure of those sculpted noses. We've got a little bit of jointing and some different techniques for you to learn this month in Masterclass. A whole lot of fun. So it'll take you a while. It took me a while this month, but well worth it. You can create your own little collection all in one hit. So let's take a closer look. So allow me to introduce you to the Bearbushka family, and what a fantastic group. This is so exciting. I think this project is possibly one of the most creative projects as far as the possibilities go for you all. I think we're going to see some just incredible collections come out, and it really is like you're creating just a whole collection just in this one make. And it does take a while, so it's been a big month, but totally worth it. Absolutely love them. I've got them posed all looking very stoic and looking forward, as nesting dolls do. So of course my inspiration are the beautiful Russian wooden nesting dolls. Matrushkas, babushkas, that's why I've called them Bearbushkas. You can call them whatever you like. But I think there's just so much detail. So we've got some to look at them independently. We've got Mama here with her little dress, her outfit, her neckerchief, beautiful little apron. Of course, faces are beautifully sculpted, and I've kept it very storybook. So it's almost a grisly look with that storybook vibe. You get to sculpt the 3 different faces, which is really exciting, but you also get to make it that there is a family resemblance there, which is really, really lovely. We've got Dad in his fantastic outfit with his vest and his tie. Of course, you can change that up in so many ways. And our little one, who I've made a little girl, you can certainly make it a little boy. There's so many ways to embellish these. And of course, you can get them to hold things. Mama has her little pair of glasses, which I've made green just to go in with the whole thing. If she's like me, she's always got her glasses hanging from somewhere or tucked in a pocket. So I have thoroughly enjoyed making these. I hope you've enjoyed seeing them, and I hope to tempt some of you to come over and enjoy us in Pay It Forward, because you know what, if you're a newbie, this is a really good one to start with, and what an impressive result at the end. So thanks for having a look, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing them. Okay, so what do you all think? Do you love them? Do you love them as much as I do? I hope you do. I had such a fun time creating these. It is something that my two daughters have been asking me to make Bearbushkas for a long time. I also love drawing them as well. So very excited to bring this little collection to life. I hope you've enjoyed seeing them. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for coming over and joining Masterclass. I hope I've tempted a few more of you to come along. I hope everybody is doing well at the beginning of this year. I hope your year has started well. Mine started off a little bumpy, but we're getting into the groove now. Lots of things going on behind the scenes here that you'll be seeing very shortly, and I hope to bring you a whole lot more videos here on Pay It Forward. Lots of fun stuff that I do here in the studio just for myself, and I thought, I don't know why I'm keeping that to myself, so I'm going to share it all with you guys. Anything creative that I do, I'm going to be sharing it with you. So everybody, have a fantastic creative week. All the links are down below for Masterclass, and come and join our Facebook page and can see what everybody else is up to. And have a fantastic creative week, everybody, and until next time, it is hooroo from me.